Summer's here, and that means more road construction. For our road construction update this week, we're taking a look at 900 South and 200 South.
900 South between 900 West and the Union Pacific Railroad is almost complete. Our contractors have paved the roads and completed the westernmost portion of the 9-line trail. Work is still taking place between the Union Pacific Railroad and 300 West, where we will continue to see improvements in the area. This entire project will cover between 900 West and 945 East and is expected to wrap up in fall 2023. Learn more at 900southslc.com. 200 South construction continues as we follow the installation of the Dominion gas line. Crews are working to replace the sidewalk, curb, gutter, and drive approaches. Salt Lake City work is primarily taking place between 900 East and 700 East. The project will eventually work its way up to 200 East this year, and in 2023 will go all the way up to 400 West. Want more information on 200 South? Check out 200southslc.com.
That's it for this week's road construction update. To keep informed about this or any other construction projects going on in Salt Lake City, remember to visit us at slc.gov/construction.